So, yeah, the watermark is still there. So, I made a switch from Android to iOS, aka this bad boy right here. But I can't seem to restore my purchase. I'm sorry in advance, I'm trying to figure it out. Anyway, enjoy the 250 sub special. Welcome back to the Weird Show! I didn't quit the series. I'm still here. And as you saw from the title of the video, these two babies will be fired like guns today. Yeah, these things are not your ordinary staplers. So let's get right into it. This is the economy one.
Free for all!
Look how far this thing fires. Did you see that? Oh. But now we got the industrial. This one is known to shoot at 20 feet. Let's get it.
Free for all!
Oh my god. Ah! Now we're gonna fire off some random shots. Ah. I took it. Ah. So hard to squeeze with one hand. I swear I'm gonna get hand damage after this for sure. Got it in the sweater. Fire! 3, 2, 1, fire!